Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to remove supports in Ultimaker Cura. So if your model does not have any floating parts or step overhangs, you can turn supports off completely. So how you do that? Look at the top right corner of your screen and click on the print settings. So this is here, these are the print settings. Click on that and now scroll down all the way where you find the section support. So right here, uncheck the box next to here like that. And yes, like so. Um, Now you will be able to slice. Then after that, you will see here slice button here at the bottom. You will just click on that and then it will start basically, it will show you how it will do that like that. And yeah, this is pretty much everything, uh, how you can remove supports in Ultimaker Cura. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in